All right, we're about to head out. I've got 2 units I gotta go get today. I've got a 26-foot U-Haul rented. I've got 2 helpers. I've got Ann, and then I got my wife Leah coming to help me. 2 10x15s. They're all the way out in Cumming, Georgia, which is, I don't know, it could be, depending on traffic, you know, over an hour away from here. And we gotta kind of go across the north side of Atlanta. Sometimes the traffic can be brutal, but that's where we're heading now. And this will be broken down into 2 videos, the 2 different units, but we're going to get 2 today. Each unit will have its own video, so just stay tuned. All right, we're back with another unit to load today. I won this one online on storagetreasures.com. $360. It's a 10x15. Looks nice and neat in the pictures. Lots of boxes and containers all stacked up neat. So not thrown around, not a mess like a lot of them. So kind of excited. Anytime you get a nice neat one, they're much more fun and easy to go through. Do have another unit out here in, where I'm at today. It took a little bit over an hour to get where I'm at out here in Cumming, Georgia. So I went ahead and got 2. I've got the 26-foot truck to hold both of them here. Like I said, paid $360 for this one. I just stepped in a hole, sorry. We got some cacti over here. They're actually live ones, so some of them aren't live because even cactuses need a little water sometimes. But we got lots of lots of containers in here. Like I said, it's nice and neat. Some interesting trunks right here, 2 of them. This is a nice piece of luggage right here. Swiss gear, it's heavy too, so there's something in it. Nice trash can. There is a little bit of furniture, but it's mostly containers. But I mean, look at them all stacked up back in there. We got the little cozy coupe kind of thing, but it's like a truck kind of thing, If we get back in here, oh, they had a whole tub here with cactus and stuff, but they're all dried out. But the tub's cool. Snowman. So we're gonna start loading it up and we'll see what we find today. Oh, it even has a working horn. That is full of, it's clothes in there. It's full of clothes because it's heavy. Is there anything in the trunk? It's like a little toolbox, bungees, straps. Yeah, and it has a weird smell in it. Okay. And we got another trunk here. Leah, go ahead and crack it open if you can. And it's pretty much nothing, but there is these vintage Polaroid land cameras. I've gotten a few of these before. It's got the flash bulb on it. That's kind of cool. And some pads, okay. And some penny rolls. So, no, it's just the rolls. There's no pennies in them. Empty rolls. And we have an empty Tide Pod. They did the Tide Pod challenge and used them all. Definitely, it looks like a woman's unit. A lot of decorative stuff. It looks like it's brand new. Caboodle. It's a Caboodle brand. Something in this cooler. Ooh, there's a Yeti little can holder. That's nice. See, you put your, I guess you don't do that. Is it not for a can? Or does that come off? Oh, I see. You take that off.
You take this off.
Then the can goes in there.
Yeah.
And then that goes on.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yep. That's cool.
It's pretty nice. This, how much is this thing? Like at least 25
At
bucks.
least 20, $25.
Well, that's what it cost at the store. Actually. Oh, wait. Ann, show them your. Ann's got her Santa hat on today. That's cool. Ann loves Santa. I like Santa too. If Santa was a real man, then Ann would marry him.
I would, in a heartbeat. And he is real, thank you.
Well, he's not a man. He's an elf, a magical elf or
yeah,
something.
yeah.
So. Yeah, just looking at the containers, there's a lot of nice containers in here that's money by themselves. Like, look at this Husky. It's a Husky like tool container, but I mean, obviously you can put anything in it. But look at this, it's got the clear lid, locking little clasp there. And there we go. Let's see what's in it. There is, what is this? Oh, it's like a tote there. And then we got some bubble wrap. Georgia shirt, little canvas tote. So we got a clothes rack in here. So it's like it's probably never been open, because you're typically not gonna put it back, the clothes rack back into the box like that. Oh, there's another one of those Husky containers like this one right there. And I think there's actually more. Yep, here's one here. That one doesn't have the lid at the moment. But there's another one back there. And then you get these yellow locking lid containers. This has toys, lots of toys. Minnie Mouse sink, Mickey Mouse car, a little baby thing. The only problem is when you start opening these things and looking through them just a little bit, take this just moving stuff just a little bit, and then the lid doesn't want to close like it was. There's lots of like stuff like this, these totes and stuff like, and look at these like laundry baskets, hampers. This stuff isn't flashier, but this stuff is so easy to sell. All these, because people just need this stuff. Everyone needs that kind of stuff. We got like some little accent. There's a brand new metal folding chair, little accent table right there. This has clothes. There is some laundry stuff in here that has a little bit in it. Clever made container. We got shoes. Got a little garden rake. And once again, we've got the toilet paper. That's good, because we always need the toilet paper. And like the thumbnail on a couple of videos ago was talking about, with inflation, it's hard to afford to wipe your butt nowadays. So anytime I get toilet paper in these, that's a good thing. Got a little trash, but look, there's a trash bag. That's got holes all in it. This might be more toys here. No, it's not toys. Sunglasses. And then just lots of bags and stuff in here. Books. Oh, this is a, ooh, look at this. There's the Dyson vacuum right here.
Oh, that's
the-
the one I need, isn't it?
Yeah,
Another
it's
Yeti. This one has a nice
another
lid
look
on it.
another nice Yeti here that Leah just found.
Yes.
I mean, it's almost like brand new.
And it has the lid where you can close it.
That lid you buy extra, and it's
Yeah.
expensive by itself.
I have this lid.
You can have it if you want. Yeah, really nice. Look at this Dyson handheld.
Oh, yeah.
Another one smells like Yeti. This is nice too.
And without looking through little journals and all kinds of stuff in there. That's got a little weight to it because it's got books and stuff. Yeah, all the containers and everything in here are nice.
Yeah.
There's like hampers and locking.
Open all these or just
That's got toys in it. I can see in there. You can take that. Just a quick flip here. It's got little stuff. This one says picture frame, mason jars, picture holders. And it's just kind of decor. There's a DVD player. But it looks like there's candles. Little locking lid container there. A lot of nice household stuff. You can tell it's a very organized woman's unit from the looks of it. Organizers, I mean literally got some clothes in there. In the clothes hamper. Nice flower, look at the pots here, very nice. If you look at these nice ceramic pots, and then these little baskets here, you got more stuff. Silverware, organizer. That door's from something else. So look in here, brand new ironing mat. Oop. One of the pots just fell off. Metal supply box. It's full of something. Let's see. Napkins. I was about to say it felt heavier than that. There's rocks in it. Something stinks.
Yeah.
It might be that old dirt, like molding or something. These old plants.
Something's dead in here.
Ooh, what's in that one? I haven't looked at. That looks like crafting stuff. Look at this box full of what appears to be, I think that's like crafting type stuff. What is this right here? LED color box. It might be a picture frames. Oh, it's just one of these
Light boxes.
light boxes. Yeah, I think there's two of them there. Just little odds and ends, but stars, all kinds of little stuff down in here. Another one of these nice containers. It looks like it's full of crafting stuff here. All kinds of crafting stuff. Like coal, yeah, Sharpie markers. I don't know what that is.
Stencils.
Yep, all that kind of stuff. And here's a bucket. They got one of these Husky bucket covers where you put your tools in. Not really much in the way of tools in it besides there is a mag light, flashlight here. Medicine, band-aids, all that kind of stuff. More. I'm just amazed at all the containers in here. Look at, I mean, this person was just into containers and organizations. Crazy. Here's another. Oh, this is a Craftsman. Most of those have been Husky. This is an actual Craftsman brand container full of clothing. I'm pretty sure, based off everything else, that the clothing in here will be nice. Nice stuff. that's got some weight to it. It's full of clothes. Here's another. This might be clothes also, but big old Husky latch and stack container. Nope, not clothes. Little lantern. Got like purses and bags. That's let's see. Just all. There's a Ping. I don't know what this is. Ping something. It's got a Ping logo on it. I don't know what Ping would be in this little. Oh, there's a Dymo label printer. It's just in a Ping bag. And if you look down in there, there's all kinds of.
You see this thing? It's like a watermelon.
Oh, watermelon. Look at that big watermelon slicer there. But if you look down in this thing, there's all kinds of. There's an Amazon Echo down in here. There's an like the thing to hold your phone, like a little you know, for doing YouTube videos and stuff. It's got the light and everything. There's a Blink Mini down in there. Pull one more thing out. There's another little tripod, selfie stick tripod. And then right here, I got some kind of, I don't know what that is. Deluxe hangers, attachable. But here's, this feels like maybe it's a Case Logic. I wonder if there's a camera or something. Yep, we got there's a Polaroid. Nice Polaroid. It's like a newer, you know, it's the old style, but a new Polaroid. So far we've just looked at a few things here, and this unit is loaded down with very nice stuff, and you got this whole mountain of boxes and everything back here. This is definitely gonna be a very good unit. When literally everything in the unit, including the stuff that the stuff is in, is good, because so many of these containers are, you know, very nice containers. Then it's a really good unit at that point. Yeah, this is all camera stuff here. There's another camera. It's a Canon, and I don't know if there's any lenses or anything in here. And there might actually be more. Yeah, here's another bag here that looks like a camera bag down in there. It says Polaroid on it. Yep, and it's another. That's a Fujifilm Instamax with the case, and then you got some film right here. Leah just noticed in this corner, this goes to that Dyson handheld, but then when I grabbed it, there's a brand new baseball bat, it looks like, back here. Look at this. It's got some cobwebs on it, but it's literally a brand new Rawlings Plasma. I don't know what this one costs, I'd have to look it up, but literally brand new. And Leah just found, we got a Linux crystal vase here with the certificate. It was in this box here, right on the top of this. Of course, another nice laundry basket, a nice container.
Husky container. It has
No
the lid.
lid
No,
right
it
here.
has a lid. I took it off.
So another nice, it's a small Husky container with the clear lid. I mean, these things are so clean and nice, you could give these to somebody, these containers, a lot of these, to somebody for Christmas. It's
all breakable glass.
Another nice piece of glass here.
Open it all up.
We just can't open every single thing and go there because we would be here all day, because like I said, we have another unit to get, and as you can see, there's still so much. So unfortunately, we can't sit there and open every little item in every box. But we're going to try our best to show you, kind of skim through and show you as much as we can to give you an idea. Clothes, and I'm looking down here, I see tags on the clothes down there. What about the box that says things on it? And there are things in it. Crafting stuff. brand new. Lots of crafting here, little wooden craft items, picture holders. So another nice box with sellable nice stuff inside of it. Some brand new little foam pads for the kids. Here's another box that says stuff on it. It matches the things box, and there's stuff in it. Dish. Got some jewelry holders. I wonder if they did something with jewelry, or if this
Probably
was
did
just.
paparazzi.
Well, there was. Leah did find a paparazzi box, which that's like a thing, you know, people can sell paparazzi. There's some jewelry in there. I mean, this isn't paparazzi stuff, but got a little toolbox here. What is that? DeWalt stuff? Let's see.
Yeah, drill bits. It's a nice
DeWalt
set.
drill bit set. There's another DeWalt set down in there,
Yeah.
and a heart. It's like another bit set. Some nice Irwin pliers there.
Here's some Black & Decker
It's like a whole
pliers.
set of Irwin pliers. You all right?
Over the paper shredder by the place.
Oh.
We got paper all over it.
Oh, look, Ann's in here having a confetti party with the paper shredder.
Yeah, somebody got a party.
Kitchen stuff. We got a Boss Audio Systems speaker. That looks pretty nice. That's nice too. Look at this speaker, nice little. And then the last drawer, some kitchen stuff. I just noticed, I thought this was just a regular toaster oven. This is actually a Ninja.
Air fryer.
Yeah, air
That's a cool
frying.
one. That's a cool one.
How much do you think that thing costs? That's probably at least $100. Isn't it? It's heavy too.
One that I kind of wanted.
All right, got a couple interesting bags here looking. Here's a Samsonite. Well, if I can get them out. Samsonite bag. Here's a nice Husky tool bag. And then see, even the further you get in there, look, there's more. Nice container, nice container. Look back here. Here's another one. There's like a trunk container. And we can kind of get back to the back here and see a little bit. It's hard to, well, I mean, not much to see right here. But let's look in this Samsonite container here. Not container, bag. It's a laptop bag. I don't know if there's a laptop. We got some notebooks. Nothing too great in there. Then let's see this bag here. If anything, it's a nice tool bag. Got a hammer. A East Wing hammer. Nice East Wing framing hammer. Let's open her up and see. Is it going to be tools or something else? If you look down in here, here's a Milwaukee bag. Not anything Milwaukee. It's got like glue and stuff in there. Here's a DeWalt. Got just a tiny bit of charge left. Little DeWalt drill. Sockets and bits and stuff here. Dang, look at all these drill bits. Here's something here, Craftsman. Look at that plier set. Another Milwaukee bag down here. And we've got DeWalt drill bits down in there. There's the charger for the DeWalt tool right here. Another toolbox, little Craftsman toolbox, and we've got more goodies. Look at that, Tool Bandit. Does that have to be open maybe? Not really anything in there. We got all kinds of jewelry right in here. And Lee was just looking at, this is a Vera Bradley, but it's kind of the new style Vera Bradley bag, really nice. But if you look in here, oh, there's an actual little jewelry box. Some of this might be silver right here. And yep, that's 925. So I think several of these are going to be silver. That may be gold. It's a real thin piece. It looks like it probably is. Now these. This little set of rings, this is sterling silver. This brand, I don't know how you pronounce this, Julia, some way or another. Some more.
$50.
I'd guess, probably. I mean, even a cheap backpack's 20-25 bucks. Mm-hmm.
It's a nice one. Strap here. I mean, it's very nice.
Looks like a little.
And like you can pull these out, or you can tuck them in. And this is
so it's like a backpack,
nice. Yeah, it's a backpack
or just a carry bag.
This is very nice.
This person definitely, everything they had was nice stuff, and it's very organized and clean. It's making me, we were just talking about, we wonder what happened to this person, because for somebody to be really organized and stuff, they normally don't lose their stuff unless unfortunately something bad happens. But here's another Craftsman little toolbox of some sort here, a little stacking thing. If I can figure out how it opens. Is the top open? It looks like it should. Should come off, but it's not open. Oh, okay. Well, the drawer comes open. We've got jewelry in here. Paparazzi. This top part I can't get to open, but I don't know what I'm doing. It's like this whole thing should lift up. It's unlocked, but it won't lift up. Okay, now that's, oh, okay. You have to pull back there and it releases. So yeah, more paparazzi jewelry here. And I've said this a million times, but once again, a nice box for it to be in. But look at these guys right here. These little gnomes. These are cool. Oh, there's another one too. I didn't see him. We're getting toward the back here, and look, there's a big. Now that don't mean there's nothing in it, because she's got all these tool containers that she's just got regular stuff, but it's like a road case that, you know, you'd have musical equipment in. Probably not, because there's been no music type stuff in here, but she probably just got that case to use, but we'll see. More nice decor.
Cool little clip LED string lights.
There's another one.
Yep. There's a wireless charger.
All right, we're getting down to the last. You know, still a lot of stuff in here, but there's nothing really buried in here anymore on this unit. So far, so good. Tons and tons of good stuff. but still a whole stack of containers. Curious what's going to be in here. Don't think it's anything music related, but we'll see. Maybe this is Christmas stuff. And yep, Christmas decor, which that's not a bad thing because it's November right now. We can sell this stuff. Oh god. We got a pair of these chairs here. These are nice. Organizing boy bins hanging. There's a PlayStation game. It's in there, Batman. Oh, look at all these bins. Ugh. Look at these tons of these hanging bins and extension cords. Good lord. It's kind of heavy. It's got extension cords and tons of those hanging bins like you put in the closet. This thing. Light bulbs. Little LED lights. Light bulbs. There's a weather station. Lights. Lots of good stuff down in there. There's some like hanging patio lights. Oh, I didn't even look at this. Sharper Image Breeze Blast Personal Air Cooler. Alright, this is the road case back here. It's full of, like I thought, just similar stuff.
Look at that. That is adorable.
Tiny recycling bin.
A pencil holder.
Other. Alright, we're still got a good bit of stuff to load, but we're pretty much done, you know, seeing what's in the unit as far as finding, you know, unburying everything. Clothes and blankets in those bags, I guess, but and then all this stuff has to be loaded. But overall, let's see here, 26-foot truck. It's put a pretty big dent in the truck here. We got a lot of stuff, but a lot of really good stuff. This person was very organized, had tons of really nice containers, tools, lots of nice decor, lots of nice household items, flower pots, home accent pieces, all that kind of stuff. So $360, really good unit. And that's, you know, we haven't even really dug into most of the boxes yet. Did find some, you know, like the nice Dyson vacuum and stuff like that we found, the cameras, you know, different items like that we found in the boxes, just kind of skimming through. Some silver jewelry. So overall, really good unit. We're gonna get this thing finished up loading, and we're gonna head on to the next one. It's in the same city that we're in now. Hopefully it'll all fit on the rest of this truck here. It's gonna be pretty tight, but we're gonna finish up. That's pretty much it for this video. Hit the like button if you like it. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and if you haven't already and you want to see more videos like this and everything related to the resale business and storage auctions, hit that subscribe button. Y'all have a good one.